Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Facebook business account using the latest 2026 interface. We'll create it step by step inside Meta Business Suite. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. This will take you to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you are logged in to your personal Facebook account. You must use your personal profile to create a business account. On the homepage, click the Create Account button. A pop-up window will appear. Now, enter your business name, your full name, your business email address. Then click Create. Meta will send a confirmation email to your business email. Open the email and confirm your address. After verification, you will be redirected to your business dashboard. That's it. Your Facebook business account is now ready. From Meta Business Suite, you can manage pages, schedule posts, run ads, check insights, and manage messages in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated tutorials. Thanks for watching.